Okay, Barefoot has a question here. Would you say that a piece of land with a variety of features, cliff, pond, meadow, forest, etc., is a more valuable property to develop from a permaculture standpoint? Generally, yeah, I'd say so. Different areas of pasture. The cattle are down here at the moment, going over to the horses, reforestation area, a river flat, a big dam, wild ducks just taken off from a swale, a couple of swales going through, all forested. We've got food forest along the swales. We've got wild forest on the creek. We've got a main crop over here. We've got a milking pasture above us. We've got a ridge top here. Diversity definitely makes it more interesting. You can put together many, many different combinations as you get intersections between one area and another. And you get areas of major disturbance, minor disturbance, medium disturbance, no disturbance at all in a mosaic. And that is the most fertile. When you get these interactions between all the different profiles and all the different levels of human disturbance as we work a system into different levels of productivity over time and space.